Hey everybody, like, comment, subscribe. If you want some trading content, if you want some crypto content, if you want daily price action analysis on BTCUSD, this is the Pip Crypto Show. It's your boy Wupips, aka WuCrypto. You know how we do it, talk about these cryptos. Bitcoin went up like I told y'all. I'm going to explain the last trade. The last trade my stop profit got hit. I made $85 with 400 pips. Crypto was killing the game. Like, I got to secure the bag. I might not trade for the rest of the week. Might look for a perfect setup if it happens, but we're going to do some daily analysis. Price already shot up from the bottom, so that platform or that double bottom where I had the entry, I already missed it. We don't want to chase money. We want to wait for that perfect setup so we can always secure the bag. This is the plan. If you trading with me, you caught pips last week when I gave out the free signal. I think on the next video, drop your sweat coin, you feel me? So that's what's today, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah. On that video, you're going to have to be sweat coin. Oh, man, look at that perfect entry. It's all right. We're not going to chase any trades. I'm not, taking a break at the workhouse, doing my thing. But this is beautiful. Like, look at that structure. We got a trendline break. We're going to do a top-down analysis from the monthly chart all the way down. See what Bitcoin has been doing for the last couple of months. This is all new data. Price is looking beautiful right now. I believe price is going to hit 25K in the next few months. I already called it like first, third quarter. We're going into March. March is going to be a very strong month. We're going to wait for those perfect opportunities. So the cipher completion is done. So I'm not looking for any more downside motion. I'm looking for either sideways or upside motion. When I do this price action, we're going to see it. This guy starts zooming out. Hold on. Let me adjust this. If y'all have any questions on any trading styles, trading techniques, drop it in the comment. I'm down to, make different types of tutorials. I won't go into my personal type of trading, but I'll do all the public stuff, all the simple stuff that people don't know, like trendline channels. If you want to know entries, I really don't teach entries like that. I give signals, and based off if you understand higher highs, higher lows, lower high, lower lows, things of that nature, you can just trade off my signals. I have a private class for that, but I'm not branding that on the channel. That's something I do on the side. I got students. Now I'm getting more students publicly, giving y'all the free content stuff. So y'all can check that out. I'm going to probably make a playlist on the next few videos or so, or next few days. Just, all the trading stuff, all the crypto stuff, put it, separate it. Start organizing the channel because I'm starting to get more views than I projected already. I'm doing well. I'm super excited. I'm getting views. I mean, not that much feedback, but I'm getting views. This bat pattern is still here. The completion for this bat pattern is right here at the 61.8, where it will test this key level. That is a monthly key level. That's where I'm projecting price to go around 13K before it does any downside movement. This is why I call it sideways motion, because all these zones are starting to get tested on lower time frame. Weekly shows a lot of bullish movement, which is great. If this candle right here can close bullish, we're buying for a very long time. I'm going to put some new buy signals, hopefully in the near future, but we got to wait it out because I like to wait for candle close. Let's drop down to the daily. Yes, you see, this daily engulfing, after it played out the move, take profit was hit, we could have honestly looked for that buy opportunity, but like me, I'm going to wait. So yesterday, if I saw this, this is called a morning star pattern. Like, just that pattern alone would have gave me confirmation to know, like, hey, it's all right to buy. Buyers came back into the market. All the resistance was tested. Support was found. Things of that nature. But I like to trade the H4, which is our next time frame that I'm about to get into, which is perfect. Ooh, you see that trendline break? If I saw this exhaustion right here, I would have knew, like, hey, let's break down this channel right here. This is what we're going to do. There was a break of structure. I really can't go into details of the break of structure right now because it takes a lot of emphasizing, but these right here are where the exhaustion is. I can show you where the break of structure occurred. you know, and then I'll probably make a new video or another video of breakup structure, things like that. I mean, you can know the concept, but how to trade it is still a whole nother concept. Like, I got almost 2 years. April's going to make 2 years of trading. You know, I got a lot of experience. The thumbnail for this video is probably my profit that I made, and I'm going to post that there soon once I'm done with all of this. Right here's this area that I was talking about where the breakup structure occurred, where I would have found, you know, my next opportunity to buy. Once I found that zone, I would have boxed it. I need to change this color because that's my supply and demand colors. You got to color code your trading. Like, I know I leave a lot of stuff and my thing looks like a hot mess. But you want to keep your trading very simple. Once you keep your trading very simple, like, the money starts pouring in. It almost gets boring after a while. Like, I'm starting to get consistent, so it is getting kind of boring, but, like, I got a lot of bills, so once I get those bills out of the way, I'm going to start doing, like, Bitcoin giveaways, start giving away Bitcoin, Ripple. I might buy some Ripples this weekend, depending on how everything plays out for me. You know, do that probably next month. I might give away Ripple. I don't know yet. I might. But you got to get a Ripple account, you got to get a Bitcoin account, Litecoin account, anything. Get a Coinbase. The Coinbase, the link's in the description. And then just get an address. And then when I tell y'all to drop y'all address, you feel me? Boom. The giveaway starts like that. I'll give rules to the giveaways too, because I make different types of giveaway. The last giveaway was a Sweatcoin giveaway. I'm going to do another Sweatcoin like I told you in the next few days. Drop your Sweatcoin address. But let's continue with this analysis that we got going on. 4 hour, we're going to go drop down to 2 hour. 2 hours is very nice, you know, because we're looking for that nice break. You see the zone? The first break occurred here. Let's see if we can find this on the 1 hour, a nice engulfing. If we can find a nice engulfing pattern, from that nice engulfing pattern, we can find opportunities for great entries. Ooh, look at that, that Morningstar pattern, see? You can break down your patterns within the pattern and find more patterns, and then once a retest occurs, which came over here, you would have found your opportunity to enter on this candle and you would be in profit right now. I missed that whole trendline break. This trendline break, I missed it. I was making tacos, but it's all good, you know. There's always opportunities throughout the week, you know. Facts. You know, there's opportunities always throughout the week. Like, sometimes, this might be a little off topic, but it's the psychology of trading. Trading is more psychological than it is skill set. Anybody like that knows algebra and knows how to use a formula, that's how Forex is similar to. That's how I kind of relate it a lot of the time. Because if you know the formula, all you got to do is apply the numbers, which are the candles, and the price action of what's going on. Once you know how to put the price action, you know how to find support, you know how to find resistance, you understand which way the market is going, if it's going sideways, if it's going up, if it's going down. Once you master the art of that, now it's just secure the bag alert. Like, if you check out my Facebook, if you check out my Instagram, if you check out my Twitter, I've made extreme profits. I've taken losses too. Don't think like it's all sweet. There's a good side and a bad side to all of this, all right? You can make money and you can lose money. But, hey, it is what it is. It takes money to make money, and I'm about that. I put this, you know, I put it on everything that I do. Like, I really grind out these charts for real. So now that we have some upside motion, we're going to start deleting our fibs. You know, we're going to start cleaning it up. The trend lines I like to keep because trend line is an indication for me for potential setups. Now that we have this trend line break on the 1 hour, we've seen a lot of upside motion. Hold on, let's zoom out because I need to delete another Fibonacci somewhere. I need to figure out where it's at. Oh, that's a bigger Fibonacci. That's a huge Fibonacci. Where did that Fib go? Oh, boom. So, because that's a 61.8 on that uptrend. Oh, let's just delete it. We're going to delete all these fibs because we got new direction, structure. This trend line is important because I think it's a weekly trend line if I'm not even mistaken. And if it breaks a weekly trend line, that means there's a lot of momentum and a lot of volume there. You know what I mean? Income tax just dropped. People are just getting their income tax. So all the new investors, just are probably now getting into the market. If structure develops how I want to, you see where I have this weekly, where price is looking to aim for this weekly support and resistance. Once price gets around here, I'm probably going to look for my next swing trade. I'm not sure. I got to wait on the candle close. I got to wait on the perfect opportunity. I got to wait. You know, trading is patience. You don't want to just chase after the money. Like I told you, you're going to lose it if you chase it. If you follow me, I'm not telling you you're always going to win, because I lose some of my trades. Like I said, you win some, you lose some. But I win more of my trades than I lose them now. And it took me a long time to get there. When I mean by a long time, like 8-9 months. Like I lost for 8-9 months consecutively before I started getting the hang of it. But now that I got the hang of it, like like you see, I'm making YouTube videos about how to trade, how to execute trades. I put a trade or a video not too long ago how I made $1,400 on my live account from an investor that I have. Like, yo, like, trading is beautiful. Trading is super beautiful if you can respect the principle, you make rules, you keep yourself disciplined, and boom. See this solid? It's a 4-hour. 4-hour is just as, with clarity, just as smooth as the daily, because the daily structure shows a lot of bullish momentum, but it hasn't closed yet. We have this engulfing variation right here across this indecision level. It's been that, there we go, this 4-hour indecision level, which I like, where price has closed over it, and, well, it opened under it, but it looks like it wants to close over it. If we can get a close above this after it tests this zone, you know, we can be looking at 15K, looking at 20K, 25K. If I can get a ride, or we get a ride up there, we're going to bag in thousands of pips. Thousands. We talking about with a micro, you can make 2-3 grand easy on a swing trade. You get a nice perfect setup on the swing trade, and everything is going to be smooth. So maybe we should have rolled it up now, but I mean, like I said, once I see a next clean opportunity, because I don't want to give y'all misvalued information, you know what I mean? So we're going to wait. Everything is a waiting. Y'all might have to, 30 minutes, we might see this break of structure might happen on this. No, like this is looking smooth. Like, check this out. We have a zone, right? We're going to create this zone real quick, which sucks because my zone, I changed the colors because that was a pattern setup. Boom, let's change these colors real quick. Go back to the green. And it's because I've been doing this so long, I kind of have my own manual to, like, boom. I use this as my zone. This zone structure, if this zone can hold up like this on this 1 hour, close above this engulfing right here to the left, we have, like, a solid trade. If you're going to risk, this is the risk management I'm going to give y'all. I risk high. I over leverage. Do not over leverage. If you have no training, you will blow your account. I've blown over 250 accounts. 250 accounts I've blown. Alright? You don't want to do that. I risk big because I like to win big. Like that $8 lot that I dropped, I shouldn't have even dropped it on the account I had. It only had $2 grand in there, and I dropped an $8 lot. I could, if I was wrong, I was going to blow that account. Just understand that. You want to risk 5 to 10% of your account, small risk, and we swing. If we take 5-10% of our account and we risk that and gain over, 20-30 pips, you're making 15 plus per trade on your trade. So 10 trades, you double your account. It's reasonable. You're going to make more than your savings account. You're going to make more than you get paid if you follow the compound. You got to understand the risk that you're taking and how to build the risk. So with that being said, we're going to wait. Possibly by the next video. I'm not going to give y'all that entry right now. But fibs looks nice. Let me draw out the fibs real quick. Got like quick 10 seconds. This triple bottom right here is what confirmed change of direction. And then we're going to use some projections. If we can get that in real quick. Fibonacci retracement. Boom. Boom. Right here. We got a 23 right there. We missed that entry. That 23.6. And then we're going to ride it out to the negative 127, negative 141. So it's not a signal, but that's the trade setup. We're going to look for entries later.